Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my page, Baby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So today I'm making boiled yam with egg sauce in my kitchen. So this is the yam I bought last night from a local farmer here, Nigerian Yam. So first of all, I'll be peeling this yam, then I'll boil it before I can start making the egg sauce. So follow me to prepare this delicious meal in my kitchen. We start by cutting the yam and peeling the yam. Yes, after cutting and peeling it, I'm going to boil the yam for about 30 minutes before the yam gets soft. You can only add salt when you are boiling your yam. Nothing else is required. Yes, I'm still stirring this afternoon. Yeah, variable sizes. This one is just one person. What? Okay, thank you. Yeah. Let me see. Nigerian delicious food. It's my favorite food, but for now I'm on my weight loss challenge, so I'm not eating half. If not, for eat more after preparing the food. This one is too much for one person. So I'm going to wash the yam and parboil it. So while the yam is boiling, I'm preparing what I will use for the egg sauce. To make this egg sauce, I'm using tomato, 2 tomato. You can use as many as you want, it depends. So, and also chili. This chili, I'm not going to blend it, I'll just cut it with onion, you understand? I'm not going to, or I'll just crush it. And also I'll be using this big onion. So by slicing this tomato. Then maybe I'll crush this pepper with this my god, I blended it rough. I blended it rough. So if you like pepper, you can add more, but this one is normal. So I'll be using I think 5 eggs. I have 5 eggs here, so I'm going to break it later and mix it up in a bowl. Our yam is cooking. Let me show you guys. It's boiling. So let me get the pot ready to fry the egg sauce. But first of all, let me put the egg first. So let's go fry. Our yam is done. I love yam so much, but I can't eat it now because I'm watching my size. If not, I will eat half of it. I think that one is enough for a plate. I need to give someone else this. So time for us to make our egg sauce. I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use any oil you want. Add some oil. A bit of salt. Allow the onion to fry like 5 minutes. So we are adding our chili. Allow it to fry before I can add my tomato. So I'm adding this tomato, stir it, and cover. Where is the cover? Okay, and cover it. Cook the tomato so that the oil and the water will dry while the oil incorporate together. You add your spice, stock, salt, and all the rest of it. Finally, you're gonna pour the egg inside, let it cook for a while, then your egg sauce is ready. So I will show you the final part of it.